guys, it's Chris again. So today I'm going to show you guys how to test a dual capacitor under load, which is while it's running. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your system has been running for at least 15 minutes, just to make sure those pressures are equalized and the system's running exactly where it's going to be at for the duration of the service. Now the reason why we test our dual capacitors under load is because this is the most accurate way to find out exactly how they're running. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get two readings. We're going to get our compressor readings, our amperages, and our condenser fan motor amperages. After we've done that, we're going to get our voltages across our HERM and our common terminal, and our fan and our common terminal. And then I'm going to show you guys the equation to calculate exactly how many microfarads your dual capacitor is running at while the system's in operation. Let's go ahead and do that now. So the first thing we're going to do is turn our meter to amps, and we're going to clamp onto our HERM wire right here. And you're going to see that this is running at 7.1 or 7.45. Then we're going to do our fan, and we're going to see that that's running at 0.66. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and write those numbers down. After you've got those numbers written down, we're going to test our voltage across our HERM and our common. We've got 366. Now we'll check our fan in our common terminal. 373. Now you're going to write those numbers down. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to do an equation to determine the exact microfarads of the dual capacitor. And that equation is going to be amperage times the constant number of 2,652 divided by your voltage. And that's going to give you your reading. The 2,652 is always a constant when you're doing this equation. That will never change. So let's go ahead and calculate that right now. So for our compressor side of the dual capacitor, we're going to go ahead and do 7.45 times 2652, 7.45 times 2652 divided by 366, and we're going to get 53.98. Then we're going to do our condenser, which is 0.66. 0.66 times 2652 divided by 376. That's going to give us 4.65. So we know that the cap on the fan side is at 4.65 and the compressor side is 53.98. This is rated at 55 by 5. So in this situation, this dual capacitor is under manufacturer specifications on the compressor side.